Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here, and this is November giveaway. This is the first part of my holiday giveaway. So, since it's a holiday, and Christmas is around the corner, this is next month, I decided, why not? In November, let me make a good giveaway. So here I have the F91 Gundam, the version 2, and this will be this month giveaway. In December, I will announce what that's gonna be, and it is another monster grade, so you could look forward to that. And since it's a holiday, I can't such simply give it this model kit without this lighting unit. So you will be getting the this model kit and the lighting unit together, plus, since I'm a crazy bastard, I'm gonna add one mystery kit with this. Same goes with the other one for December. So to enter, says again, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and comment down below, Zaku stole all the eggnog. And yeah, good luck with it. I hope that everybody have a lovely day.